Bitcoin finally made a move here that we were anticipating for the last couple of days. And now we definitely have a look here where we have our next technical targets for Bitcoin, and if this might be also just a potential fake out here where Bitcoin is coming back down and breaking lower. That is something that I want to talk about today. And I will also show you my trades, how they are going right now. So you should definitely stick around here, and don't forget, smash up the like button, also subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these really important updates, especially on some days like today where Bitcoin has a massive move here to the upside. And now let's get here directly into the Bitcoin chart. So here on the 1 hourly chart, we could observe that Bitcoin was forming here this descending triangle and broke then here finally to the upside. And now Bitcoin is fighting with the next higher resistance at $20,900. So we can see that this is resistance from all the way back here. So where here it turned into resistance, resistance, resistance. Here we broke it. Here we got supported by it, support. Then we broke it here again. Then we came up again, broke it again. Here we had a massive candle to the upside and confirmed the strong resistance. And now we are just testing this resistance again. And I can tell you guys, if we can manage to stay above $20,900, we will see some fireworks, because Bitcoin could technically directly move up here all the way up to $21,745 approximately, because that is the next resistance level that I'm looking at. So, but what if a Bitcoin would actually faking out here and turning all the way back down? So that would be obviously not really good for Bitcoin, because we would get back here to $20,300, $400 ish. And then we have to see if this support is actually holding, and Bitcoin could manage to get another attempt to try to break $20,900. If we would break here below, in that case, then I would say the next support line would be around $19,800 approximately. Let me draw it in here. Yeah, here around this level. So because you see it was support here, we broke it, we jumped above it, then it was again resistance. So here we broke above it, again under it, broke above it, confirmed the support, and then we moved already up. So how can we confirm now if this might be actually one of the moves that we have been waiting for, and to get out of this $18,000, $20,000 range? So one way how we can do this is definitely by looking at the volume. So, and we see right now some decent volume coming in here on the 1 hourly chart. So, but this is obviously not enough. We should also have a look on some other higher time frames. Also here, out of this symmetrical triangle that we were forming here, we broke now out of it, and also confirmed already the breakout, which is really nice. So on the 4 hourly charts, and also here we need to have a look on the volume, and here the volume is not already highly convincing, so but it gets in the right direction. So if we can manage to get a little bit more volume in here with the next volume candles down here, and also in the price action to continue this up move, then we can say the worst is over and we might be out of the woods, and the bottom might have been actually in all the way down here. So, but there are also some cautious sign that we have to be a little bit careful here. So that is, for example, when we look on a stochastic RSI. So there is still room for like a candle or two. So potentially the next 8 hours to go here higher before we hit absolute overbought conditions for the Bitcoin price on stochastic RSI, and this might be turning around again the momentum, and that will also reflect in the price either by a sideways move or a move down again. And yeah, that's something that we definitely have to look out for. I also want to check here the EMA ribbon if we are back in an uptrend. No, but yeah, technically, yes, we have flipped the ribbon, where that's also something that we have highly anticipated and waited for quite a while. So now it's happening. So now when the price action comes back to test the ribbon must hold, the price action must stay above the ribbon, not break again under it. Because otherwise this is just a massive fake out, and we will not see any continuation here to the upside. So I also want to show you my trades really quick, guys. So you can see here my Bitcoin trade is 40% more or less right now in a profit here on Bybit, and also another trade XDZ is also 30% in a profit right now, so which is amazing. I take really small positions right now because the market is really fragile and highly volatile. I don't want to put too much money on my trades right now to preserve capital, because that is the most important thing in the bear market, guys. Preserving capital to get through the bear market. And that's why I rather trade with small positions. And the other reason is that I actually want that you have also the chance to take the same position size that I'm taking, and that you can actually see that even with small money, after a while this can add up to quite a big amount, and then we can still, with proper risk management, use then more capital to deploy larger positions down the road. So, and that's the whole point why I'm taking here now some smaller positions, so that you can actually also profit of these positions with the same size. And guys, don't forget, if you also want to trade on Bybit and you don't have an account yet, then you can go here to my comment section, or just in the description below, there's my Bybit link. There you still get $4,450 if you use my specific link here, and on Phemex there you still get $4,100 if you use this link here. Only with these links here you will actually be able to claim the bonus after signing up for Bybit, so definitely take advantage of that. So, and now let's also have a look here on the daily chart. On the daily chart you see exactly what I was predicting is happening. We had here a bullish divergence with this downward sloping resistance line and the upwards trending RSI. So now this bullish divergence is playing out. So, and the technical target for this bullish divergence is all the way up here at $29,000 more or less. So that's what I'm looking at, and that will be also confirmed by a break of this neckline here of this potential W pattern that we were forming for quite a while here already on the daily chart. So we have still to wait here the next 2-3 days to actually confirm this, because then we should get close to the neckline, and then we will see if we actually get rejected from the neckline or if we actually break through that. But things are looking good right now. There's only the stochastic RSI pointing into another direction, because like I said, across all time frames we are starting to look overbought, especially here on the daily, but we can maintain to stay for a while in this space here. We have seen it in the past, for example here, where the Bitcoin price just kept going and going, and then after a while it just came down. So we can stay for quite a while up there and actually achieve this target before we see here any kind of retracement, which would most likely then go back to like the mid 20,000, like $24,000, $25,000 in that kind of region. Yeah, so that's actually already the update for today, guys. Just one thing, we are still smashing it absolutely in my paid signets group. Guys, if you want to take advantage of my signets group, where we do also altcoin trades and also with leverage and without leverage, then contact my staff with this specific link here. They will hook you up with all the info that you need. And also in my free channel, I also give away quite a lot of signals of trades that I personally take, like this trade that I've just shown you. So this trade here, I have personally taken it and have shared it with the community in my free Telegram channel. So also definitely take advantage of that, so that we can make some good money together. Other than that, guys, I will fly this night actually with Da Vinci and potentially also Carl to Lagos to Blockchain Vibes. That is a blockchain event in Lagos. If you are in Nigeria and you're in Lagos, definitely come to the event and say hi. We are really excited because it's the first time that we go to Nigeria. So we're really excited for everybody that's showing up there, or I actually get goosebumps right now because I'm so excited. So we are really excited to meet each and every one of you guys that can make it. It's from the 9th to the 10th of July in the Marina Mall, if I'm not mistaken, in Lagos. So definitely, yeah. Definitely really stoked to see a lot of you guys down there. Other than that, don't forget, smash up the like button, click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I will see you tomorrow.